Helo. Helo. Neb. Dwi yma yn streamio. Emrys, be ti'n streamio? Blueprint dwi'n streamio. Dwi heb i chwarae fe eto. Check out a new Discord overlay. Na, dim diolch. Dwi ddim eisiau Discord overlay. Sut dwi... Uh, stopio Discord overlay. Discord overlay. Iawn. Lle dwi? Blueprints. Rogue-like puzzle murder thing. Dwi'n dechrau gwybod eisiau. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n gwybod beth ydi o. Dwi wedi gweld review. O hwnna fo. Dwi'n spin. First time. Dwi'n gwybod bod y gola bach weird heddiw, ond mae'n hael allan. Dogu bomb. Dogu bomb. Very atmospheric.
I, Herbert S. Sinclair of the Mount Holly Estate at Reddington, do publish and declare this instrument my last will and testament, and hereby revoke all wills and codicils heretofore made by me. I give and bequeath to my grandnephew, Simon P. Jones, son of my dear niece, Mary Matthew, all of my right, title, and interest in and to the house and land which I own near Mount Holly. The above provision and bequest is contingent on my aforementioned grandnephew discovering the location of the 46th room of my 45-room estate.
Ooh.
The location of the room has been kept a secret from all the staff and servants of the manor, but I am confident that any heir worthy of the Sinclair legacy should have no trouble uncovering its whereabouts within a timely manner. Should my grandnephew fail to uncover this room or provide proof of his discovery to the executors of my will, then this gift shall lapse.
What?
In witness whereof I have hereunto set my hand this 18th day of March, 1993. Herbert S. Sinclair.
.46th room. Oce, so ni ydy'r grandson, ie? Dwi bach anwyd bydd y llaws. Ach, neis. I just... Simon, welcome to Mount. Right. We just remember that I have fond memories of many visits here as a young boy. I hope you would find you with amusement those last 7 days. By the time you read this, I assume you're fully aware of my last wishes and all the details. Request, please do not mistake my intention in giving you this challenge with lack of confidence. I assure you nothing could have been further from my mind, but I chose you as my... As we said, there are a few ground rules of this mission covered. I implement my will, I feel should bring attention. No tools or items will be brought onto the stage from the outside. Those items found on the stage may not be taken off the stage. You may not stay overnight. Yeah? I don't suspect any of these with an impediment for someone as yourself, but it is very important to me that you start fresh each morning unless rely on success of the previous day. One final word of advice. Do not assume the rooms you find today will be the same rooms you find tomorrow. The grounds have provided a home for the last half century, and even I am uncertain which room lies beyond any particular door. Your grandmother used to say, don't go where the path leads, abandon the path and go where you want it to. With all my love and wishes, best of luck, Herbert S. Sinclair. Okay. You may access the blueprint menu. Entrance hall. Total meaning the room before, all signs and paths point towards the land. We still see the room resting on the 9th rank. Whoever still going down. Okay. Ben wel. En ik krijg we er wel wat betrouwen. Dan nemen we rond. Zeg. Oké. Dan is gewoon we beginnen de rest. We zijn helemaal in november. Dus je gewoon op het programma nee. Hij is niet ruim. Select the room to draft. Peace in. Okay. Alright. Ik kan recht daar een generic. Wait. Okay, so steps below. I'll dig 50 steps. Nee. Kaal stuff. Pass. Okay, corridor recht. Okay. No. Hallway. Doors in the west wing are more likely to be locked. Doors in the west. So that's east wing. Okay. Come right. Okay, step. Done that. Oh. Ah, okay. So hwnna physically ddim yn bodoli oherwydd y rhwng wedi cloi west. Bod dysau i chwyth. Okay. So ti eisiau poeni am y map. Dwi angen... Fyny. Okay. Wind up key. Points of the palette game. You have it. It was a good honor receiving the decision. States on Thursday. I've been frank, I've been quite a while since we had been say worried that my wife wit had lost its charm. I have no illusions that my company is rival to hers. Making a fresh memory, we both spent much time discussing our mutual love of game and puzzles, and I mentioned to you rather seen the pilot game I played some years back. 3 boxes of different colours. You had pressed me to write with the particulars of this game when I found the time, and I've included them with this letter. All the details you can share with the guys should be considered game. There will always be at least one box that displays only 2 statements. There will always be at least one box that displays only false. Only one box has a prize within. The other 2 are always empty. Okay. I'll give it Ian Goradiaka. Okay. This box is the white box. This box is the black box. The blue box contains the gem. This box, white box. This box, the black box. There will always be at least one box, or at least one box. Two lies. Oh yeah, so then I did clue them. I'm not going to. Yay! We ben ik het heen. Ja? Oké, ik draai gewoon naar. Ben ik heen. Each time you click on the door, you will draw 3 4 plans. There's them 8 to allow you to draw. Okay. Okay. Misschien die weinig zo best doen. Wat dan wel? Definitely. Expectedly, the spin west wing would be closed until further. The 4 plans to do this wing have not moved before. Our staff members refrain from crafting them. Okay. Do that. Um. Where is it? Yes, man. Yep. Yeah. Whoa. What's that? It's a solid. What the hell? Scary. Blue memos true, red memos lies. Ooh. Okay. Sure, red memo ganado. Never mind, red. Okay. We're bidding it. Okay. Düğümü poczona. Okay, so you should pass finish. Red memos lies. Dog. Fucking hell. Okay. Okay. Oh, blue memos true. Red. Those antimatter has been unlocked. That's a lie. It's locked. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Journey knows really. As you continue the journey adventure, you may want to consider getting something to scribble down your notes and observations. Pads have paper, journal. Oh, okay, cheater. Oh, ni wedi clywed y handi cael hyn. Okay. Ah, dwi'n gwneud o. Dwi'n cael... Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Va bene. Big stars. Okay. Dwi'n isio... Hwn. Creepy. Yeah. Card is always unlocked. Then. Feel like gem. Okay. So. That's this passage. Je vais pas recover correttando. Ah, je me passe. Okay. Okay, I did the last. We stuck pan. No. Okay. Oh, it's such a new round, remember? Lock. No. Maybe call it a day? Yeah. Yo, okay, so we dash again, man. Then you run. Eh? Save it continue. That's not, we dash the premise, son. Me too. What's that, son? Must be vorti. Remember that. The hell's my matter? The stuff going. What the hell? Vi var det med. Men The Witness var i björn. Varför? Spännande. A dwi eisiau dau step yn barod. Okay. Ooh. Dwi eisiau steps fyd. Glory Factor 7. Iawn, okay. Ges i afal do. Iawn, fi'n gwylio allan am numbers. Hanfodol. Ie. So. Glory 45 steps fyd e. Iawn, let's go. Hal. Step. Oh, in gem. Okay. The box that claims to be black has the gem. This box, blue box. Hwnna. Huh? Easy. Oh no. Cap. Okay. Dwi 'di effi hwnna fyny. Ie, ie. I'm in 10 step. Oh, 10 step. Good gem. Yeah, want to ice you a quick note. Thank you for the weekend. Had a good time. And, uh, you gained a billion. Yeah. Dwi 'di... Oh, ddechrau bach. Oh, Fo'n rhwm yma'n barod do. 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 Um, maybe. one? Republic West Hall. Right. So, pan mae cau lawr unrhyw fe. Diolch. Oedd y costio fo so dwi'n bydd efo. Dwi'n hyn yna. Rŵm. Garage. Security room. Dyn wir. Wel, be fydd golygu ddo? Be fydd action golygu? Fydd angen password hwnna. Okay. Dwi'n rhaid beth. No. Rhaid sec. Fydd yma me fi. Hai fi rili fydd. Hallway. Beth dwi'n bancio. O, beth sy'n hwnna? O, dwi'n fynd hia. O, cath. What? best thing on the. Boom. Oh. It's sealed room. 99. Ooh, that's great challenge. Okay. O'n i'n holl pwynt o cyrraedd hwnna. Dwi'n meddwl dim hynny ydy. O, bwyd yn barod. Hwnna, have dinner. Scrumptious. Beth dwi ddim yn dall, o'n ta? Dwi'n meddwl password. Okay. Dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n meddwl. Okay. So. Am mwy ystafell yna? Okay, hwn. Dwi'n meddwl beth dwi'n ei wneud fyna. Diolch o hwn? Na, ddo. Okay. Bach ag allan. Doors in the west wing are more likely to be locked. That's a lie. Dwi'n just agor ystafell gyntaf. Oh? Please pick up stuff. Please pick up food to provide this. Yes. Step on enough, but the purpose. Okay. And the name. Ah, so we've got it. Okay. Ooh, Atari. Yeah. Today is a good day because Simon is at camp. Not. my friend, my friend. Not have to share my toys. Share my room. Not share my still with the because I'm fair. Um, I stuckende. Weet hem Korea. Have we call it today? Call it. Just be lekker anti-chamber. Ja, men det er stuff får vi vel. Day 3. Ja, det tror jeg min format. Nej, det er bra. Oh ja, 5. Fem på dem. What? Alla. Vet du vad det är dit, man? Det är det bättre att förstöra, man. Inventory. Put it there in the game, yeah? Yeah. So. Gems are not in the white box. Gems are not in this box. The gems are in this box. Gems are in this box. So gems yn hwnna, dyna golygu. Hwnna'n wir, a mae hwnna'n wir. A mae hwnna'n glwydda. Gem are in this box. Gems are not in this box. Gems are not in the white box. You're a liar from the other box, Gwyn. You're a liar in the box. Not. Oh, yeah. No! Debatt. Okay. Everything. $11. Wait, was it 11? 11. Ooh. Even a look at that. 9. Yna? Ia. 9. 16. 46. Na. 46. 46. Yeah. Beth yma? No. Now. Oh, the 30. Tynnu 16. 14. Na. Na. 11. 2 plus 2 equals 9. 16. 30 yma. Un. Un. 14. Un. Beth yma? Gwybod na 11. 9. He? 11. 9. Wel. 9. 20. 11. 9. 11. 9. 11. 9. 13. 11. 9. Chwech. Chwech? 30 a 60. 30. 1. Chwech. Get it. Yeah, back. Yeah, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. Really pull sport shower. Okay. Hell. Edward. 11, 9, 6, 4. 9, 6, 4. 7, 9, 6, 4. What am I even doing? Eleven, 9, 6. Pimp, pimp times Edward. 20. Okay, pimp times Edward. 20. Now, times the 90. Ninety. Okay, that's adding. So un ar ddeg, just un ar ddeg. So mae glas yn adio. Saith plus 2, 9. Hwn sy'n cael fi? Diolch much. Os dyn treble neu double ydy. Mae hwnna'n 16. Minus 10 equals, yeah, 16. Minus 10. Okay, I'm in the centre. Minus 10. 6. 19 minus 15. Twenty. 4. Hold on. 9 minus 7 times 10 is 20. Yay, 20, 20. Dyma. Okay. Idag. Brent. Kategoriet. En we beginnen niet hebben. Oep, die rompers. Alazar. Alazara. Awesome the fuck be. Okay, cash. Cash is king.
And, as it was foretold,
Okay, what the hell?
I am awakened at the sound of a dropping coin. You find yourself face to face with the great Alzara. And I suspect you wish me to look into your future. The image is becoming clear.
Okay.
I see a boy standing on a shore of white sand. He is looking for something he was told he would not find.
Ah,
I see a black cat tied to a red flag.
kan best bij de ene get.
I hear the wind blowing, but the flag does not stir. I see a door marked by a rogue moon. A door that is always locked, yet has no key. It is the door you have been searching for, yet will not find. A lost room beyond the dark waters.
What the hell?
What you have heard here has been foreseen by the great Alzara.
Alazara.
Until the dawn of the following day, I will have nothing more to say.
Okay. What the hell? What the hell? Food. I was trying to lock the doors a little bit. Ooh, welcome to my boudoir. Safe, brother. Yeah. I'll use a key. Ah, it's... pair of chests has been added to the instance hall. Okay. Cool. Okay. Gölge düşümün nôl. Captain just steps ynddo. But, maybe. Zo'n goriad. Hoe ben je golygu? Okay. Doorstep. Ooh, 18 steps. How allan ni wando? Sut ffwc dwi'n mewn i fanna? That's B for tonight, isn't it? Yeah. Ffwc oedd y boi Al-Azhar yna, ta ddweud fi. Boi off i roca. Big Punk. Okay. Be dwi wedi neud fan ddo? Bach yn... Ach goll, fan. Okay. You run. There we go. Unlock your more rooms is this. Okay. Hynna dwi'n mynd yn rhan yma. Go. Okay. 2 lies. Yeah. 2 lies and the 2. This box is the middle box. That's a lie. The gems are in the middle box. This box is the middle box. Yay. Yeah. Observatory, please. Okay, steps. Be bynnag steps yn golygu. Dim yn hynna. Wedyn gai... Hynna. I cymryd dead end yma yma. Okay. And choose. Rwy'n yn gwachio fi, ydych chi wedi chwarae'r gem eto? Dwi yn... Dwi'n joio fo. Low level. Unit. No. Yeah, so fi'n adeg gyd. 5 plus 11 18 12 plus 15 and 27 minus 17 20 minus 18 equals 2 times 6 equals 12 12 minus 8 4 4 4 6 health like we angen rooms back number Ooh, dan hynna ta. Patio. New room. Ah, it's like to put a shovel in. Okay. Nah, dim hynna. No. got 10 steps. Oh. 10 steps. Bydd allan hwnna'n barod do. Ia, that's game hwnna. O, goriad y car. Dwi heb di fod yn geisio cynnig neud. Goriad, dwi'n bod o'r blaen. Dwi angen rooms newydd. Dwi ddim efo llaw i hwnna. Dwi angen security room. Hwnna. Food stale. Okay, go ahead. After rank 8 has been reached. What be the rank 8 though? Ah, okay. Fatha terminal password dwi isio. Chyfa S. Shovel handi o'n. Okay. Next room. Dwi'n trwy'r goriadau yma. Hefi. Dwi wedi effio hynna fyny. Stuck. Na, do. Ydw, ond. Ben nôl i'r gwyn. Dark room, dwi'n wedi cael y dark room. Dwi'n gael y breaker box. Ooh. Red Prince. There was a red prince who sat on a red throne, had a red crown made of rubies, and a red castle with stone. The prince had a love for all things red. The only two coloured was of the sun. He could not stand the sight of an area of cow. He could not stand the white of swan. He never looked up for fear of the view. Heard that the sky was not a red. He always had a book turned eyes. He was never sight, but the clouds. Do you know which book the prince always had? Always made him happy whenever he was sad. Story had red, fast and red. Maybe you could guess, but the clues you have said. Story of a boy, also red. He looked like a prince. Toes to his head. But you as leader, was you spoke you the fact it's him. What about you? Said or red prince in the book and what the hell? About uh, we within a bit of we stuck. Close data. Dragon the utility breaker box colored dark blue maybe. Right. I'll go here gychwyn. Gwmsys bach I gychwyn. Ah, ooh, okay. Okay. The blue box is true. This box is empty. You are in the parlor. Perfect. Perfect. Be different, wouldn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Hynna. Oh, okay. Yeah. Not a fan, not a fan. But diddorol am hwn. Oh. Mae hi fel Moon Crescent thing al Zanzon yn siarad amdan. Okay. Good. Oes. 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 O, ti'n hannu fas... Gwydda hannu di'r lliw yna. 2. Oh my god. Eighteen. Tynnu deuddag, 6. Ww! Ww, be diwn. So doing the Secret Garden. At the bottom of the garden. Yeah, dead end. Come on. Ah, yeah, entonces. Okay. I go home. Um, really, that's well. I'm not good. Oh, pizza. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Good. Tired. Very nice. All. Yeah. There's a cap room. Always, hallway doors are always unlocked. The password. ID. Hang on. Oh, very good. Oh, weird. So, always use an observer. Huh? Dark room and pointless. No break. Yes, we've been going to it. I know that's not correct. Okay, call it a day. Call it a day. soon. Day 6. Dydd gychwyn. Um, uh, Al. Yeah. And day. No, 2 lies in it. This box is black. That's the gems are in are in 2 box. This box is blue. That's true. That's true. You're a lie. Put him in there. Put him in there. There. Andy. Yeah. Put him in there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no. Real. Dark room. Dark room. Ja, dat kunt al hier. O, hwnna di'r den at allan. $11.28. I heard your padlock. Is that padlock? 11.28. Okay. If you check me out then. No. And then... Hey, da gost i am Blue Prince. Mae newydd ddod allan. Mae o'n... I'r ffordd i ddisgrifio fo. Ie. Mae cael... Mae cael lot o reviews da. So mae o'n roguelike puzzle mystery. Ydy o. So, beth ti wedi gwneud yn y game wedi cyrraedd room 46. A ti fod... Ond mae roomses yn... Mae fatha roguelike, ie, so ti'n gyda dewis pa rooms yn y nesaf o'r tro. Ond mae'n quests a stwff i ffigur allan, felly. Mae'n really... Mae'n anodd cael pen fi rhwnd efo, ond dwi'n meddwl dwi'n dall beth dwi'n neud rwan. So mae'n fatha... Ai. Oedd o'n un o'r gaming... Ti'n beth i watchad thing... Pa games oedd yn y dyfodol, oedd hwn yn un o'n nhw. Oedd o wastad i bod ar rhestr fi chwarae wan. Ond oedd allan am yr offer, so diolch. No. A ti efo hyn o steps bob diwrnod. Dwi efo 50... Green memos found in Heartland are always false. Green memos? Okay. A gyda fi pad papur. Okay. Iawn. Oce, gyda fi digon o steps heddiw. So, bys i'n goffa rhaid i'ch just call it a day fan'na, ond be na i wan ydi, os ydw i'n bach o steps ar ôl, a'i allan, dwi wedi cael number i'r padlock. Yn gêm rili diddorol. Nes i stopio chwarae Atomfall, o'n i ti'n mynd i fynd i fewn i Atomfall. Doi nôl ato fo rhywun diwrnod. Iawn, fan'na dwi'n call today. Hai. Mae coedan yn mynd yn 1128. Okay. 1 1 2 Del? Apologies permanently locked that campsite. That each new yay 20 extra step. Ideal. Beth arall yn yma? Garden logbook. So os dwi'n rhoi gardens yn fama. Okay. Okay, dwi'n meddwl llai anghofio amdan hwnna am chydig. No, call it a day, man. Call it a day. Cos dwi wedi lŵp o fama fan. Mae o... O'n i'n mythu'n bellach. Dwi'n gwybod sut dwi'n agor anti-chamber. Dwi'n cyrra anti-chamber unwaith. Ond dwi'n gwybod beth dwi'n fod i wneud efo. Bach yn... Ie, sy'n bach yn... Pwy eich di bach. Iawn, day 7. Hwn yn last run fi ar y stream, dwi'n meddwl. O'n i eisiau dangos y game i bobl. Dwi'n mwyn gofyn chwarae hwn ar stream. Dwi'n meddwl i gyd, ond... O'n i'n awyddus. I just dangos o. Yeah. Nath ei ddod item yn ôl fama wedyn, os dwi'n isio. Oce, ideal. Hwna'n handi. Hwna'n handi. God. Al. Iawn, 2 right and a wrong, let's go. Ah, 2 wrongs and a right. Gems are not in a white or blue box. Gems are in both the black box and white box. But you're a lie. You're a lie. Huh? Not in the white box or blue box. But yeah. Oh yes, I know. Ja, een gouden brein weer. Een bankje. Well, sorry. Huh? I'll do that. Right there. Wait, go back. Så går vi gal. Okay, dal ddim yn gwybod hwnna. Dechrau S ydi o? Ecosystem. Oh. Fe? Trio fe? Ah, mae'n scary. Iawn. Och, be? Lock, dwi'n efo goriad. Always get an observatory. Shit, dwi'n yn barod. Hell? Lock? No! Yes, dwi'n goriad. Iawn, dwi'n meddwl meters actor yn ôl ta. Meters actor yn ôl. Holiday? Wait, yeah. Yeah, that's the end of this. check item. And then call it a day. Ugh. Na fo. Gai stopio streamio ond dwi'n meddwl. Ond i tisio chwarae bach o hwn. Dwi'n joio fo. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n 100% i gael ei weithio'n pen fi eto. Ond... Mae'n edrych yn cool. Mae syniad yn cool. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen chwarae fo a ddim Google fo. Dwi'n meddwl. Ond o, mae'n ad. Ond ia, diolch i rwy'n bod yn gwachad. Ond dwi, ia. Na i weld chi tro nesa. Dim yn chwa hwn dwi'n meddwl. Mae'n chwa hwn offline. Ond o'n i'n awyddus i just streamio fe'n chydig i dangos. Y gem. Mae ar PlayStation 5, Xbox a PC. Dim Switch. Prynnwch o if it's your sort of thing. Diolch yna. Ta-ra.